78 million new jobs by 2030. Well, according to the World Economic Forum's Future of Jobs Reports 2025, you have a link in the description below if you want to learn more, it looks like the future is going to be bright. I know the real data is often buried in a 50-page corporate report. You don't have time for that, so I did the research so you don't have to. In this video you will find out exactly which jobs are set to grow, which are at risk, and more importantly the specific skills you can learn right now to stay ahead of the curve and actually earn more money. Picture this. A few years ago you might have worried a robot will take your job. Now the conversation is shifting. It's not about machines replacing us, it's about what happens when humans and AI work together. This report shows that freelancers who thrive won't be the ones who ignore AI, but rather the ones who utilize it to become more productive and valuable. They surveyed over 1,000 top companies and found a new key things. First, while technology is changing everything, it's not a job killer. The report predicts a net creation of 78 million new jobs by 2030. And second, the fastest growing jobs are exactly what you would expect: AI and machine learning specialists and big data experts. But here's the surprising part. Some of the biggest growth is actually in the roles like delivery drivers and construction workers. It shows a much more complex job market than you would think. Third, the most important takeaway for a freelancer is that 39% of our core skills are expected to change in the next 5 years. And that's a massive number. It means continuous learning isn't just a nice idea, it's a survival skill. The report says both tech skills and human skills like creative thinking and emotional intelligence will be in high demand. So what to do with all this information? First, don't be a victim of a change. Be an agent of change. Learn how to use AI to augment your existing skills. If you're a writer, learn how to use an AI to speed up your research. If you're a designer, learn a generative art tool. This isn't about giving up your job to a robot, it's about using a robot to make your job 10 times easier and better. Second, we have a focus on human skills. Things like creative problem solving, emotional intelligence, and collaboration are going to be more valuable than ever. AI can't do these things well yet. And finally, think of yourself as a lifetime learner. Every year set a goal to master a new skill, learn new software, a new AI tool, or a new way of thinking. It's the only way to build a future-proof career. So what do you think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and if you want to discover freelance opportunities and some of the new strange jobs of the future, then hit the subscribe button so you don't miss the next video.